Welcome to the short 5-minute Yoga Nidra session for calmness and peace. For this meditation, find a quiet place, lie down or sit down comfortably on your back. If you're lying down, arms slightly away from your body, palms facing upward. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow your body to settle into stillness. Allow your body to settle in calmness. Now gently bring your attention to your natural breath. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils as you inhale and the warm air leaving as you exhale. Let your breath become slower, softer, and deeper. With each breath, feel as if you are releasing all tensions and worries. Inhale calmness. Exhale all stress. With every breath, your body becomes lighter, your mind becomes quieter. Now bring your awareness to different parts of your body. It's called body awareness. As I name them or call on each body part of yours, silently repeat the part in your mind and feel it relax completely. I call out the name of the body parts of yours, and you just have to take them into the mind. Remember them or repeat the same name in your mind, not out. It's nothing, you just have to become aware of your body organs. Now become aware of the right thumb, right hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder. Now the left hand, thumb, fingers, wrist, forearm, shoulder. Now move your awareness to your neck, chest, heart, and feel your heartbeat slowing down, calm and steady. Now your abdomen, feel it rise and fall with your breath. Now bring your awareness to your legs, right thigh, knee, ankle, foot, and toes. Then left leg, thigh, knee, ankle, foot, toes. Now feel your whole body relaxed, peaceful, and still. Now imagine you are lying beside a calm lake at the sunset. The lake is very calm and it's the evening. The water is still in the lake. Golden light dances on its surface. The cool breeze brushes gently across your skin, carrying the scent of jasmine and earth. You feel completely safe here, supported by the earth beneath you. Now imagine a soft light, a golden glow emerging from your heart. With every breath, this light expands, filling your chest, your mind, your whole body. It carries peace, stillness, and calm. Let that light spread around you, forming a cocoon of serenity. See that the light has surrounded your whole body. You are floating in this peaceful golden light, weightless, calm, and free. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the floor beneath you, the air on your skin, and take a gentle deep breath in and exhale fully. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this calm and peace with you.